was actually built a few years before it went into service. It went into service in 1901. But they're waiting for the Fresnel lens to arrive from France. Once the Fresnel lens arrived, they did put the lighthouse into service. There was a temporary wood structure that was out here that was in service for a little over, almost 10 years, I guess you would say. Once they got this lighthouse in service, they went ahead and removed the temporary wood structure. However, when this lighthouse was put into operation, it did sway just a little bit more than they had planned. And it caused the wick to burn unevenly. So they had to add that exterior skeleton to it in 1914 to stabilize the tower. Now you can see the lantern room has a drape around it. That drape is protecting the Fresnel lens that's inside. It is there for historic purposes. It is no longer in service. If you look on the outside, on the railing just to the right side of the lantern room, you can see the lens that is mounted there today. It's an acrylic lens. It's the modern one. And it flashes red, 360 degrees. Now coming up into view are some very nice homes. The home that's closest to us is the head keeper's home. The one that's in the distance is the assistant keeper's home. When I was a volunteer living out here, I lived in the house that's closest to us. If you were a volunteer and you came out here, you too would be living in that keeper's home here at the lighthouse grounds. There was a second keeper's home, but that one has been removed.